Hello and welcome to the Fun Going Fast channel. In today's video we're going to be reviewing Nerf bars for the Yamaha Raptor 700R. These are actually the cheapest Nerf bars that you can purchase on Amazon or eBay. They were $72 and they're from 7blacksmiths.com, but you can see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 companies all selling these for the same price, so they must be getting them wholesale from probably the same Chinese company if I had to guess. Unboxing here real quick. See how these guys look. So as you can see, I'll do a close up. The welds are impressively bad. Hopefully they'll hold up. Of course, you don't have to stand on these things. And the netting, we'll have to run the netting, which is pretty common, but as you can see from the welds, they're really bad. I'm not a welder, but I've got a cousin that is, and you can see from high quality stuff when it's got a really good weld. That would be an example of a bad one. But it's been painted and it's attached. And really, the Nerf bars are just going to catch your foot if they come off. So there's that. Another one. I'll have to check. Not sure. Oh, okay. Here's the hardware. And same thing. Impressively bad welds. We have Nerf bar Raptor 700 instructions. Get started. So on this left side, it's a little bit annoying. Quality control, it's not quite lining up as well as the right side did. So, I mean, I'll have to force it and I'll get it, but I'm just noticing when they shaped it, it's, again, quality control. It's not quite the same, but I'll get it in there. Okay, here's the finished project or product. Left side turned out really good. Nice solid connection. Bolts up really well. Again, ignore the instructions. Instructions told you to take off the factory heel guards and all this crazy stuff. I don't know why, because it just bolts right up with 2 bolts that they give you, and then this is the factory bolt. Goes right in with this piece that's provided. So that looks pretty good. I like the blue netting, matches nicely. So for 72 bucks, not too bad. Then here's the other side. You can see I actually tried to re-net this or relace this twice, and it's just not cooperating. Other side, but overall, they look pretty good, and I think they'll serve their purpose. For $72 plus tax, and I have Amazon Prime, so I had free delivery. That's not bad. Definitely cheaper than, I think the GYTR Yamaha ones are $400, maybe $350. I'm sure they're much better quality, but for me being a very recreational rider, I think this will serve a purpose if anybody wants to check them out. Thanks for watching.